Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Pocket option to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the Pocket option application and the MT5 application on your device from Google Play Store or App Store. So once you have done that, you need to launch your Pocket option application. After that, on the home page, you just have to tap on your profile icon that will be on the top left hand corner of the screen. After doing so, simply go to the settings and there you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. From there, you need to copy the server first. After that, simply launch your MT5 application. Over here, tap on the option of add trading account. Now in the find broker section, you need to paste the exact server which you have got from your Pocket option application. So here, when you basically paste the server, you will find it here in the list. So when you are able to find it here, you just have to tap on that and then simply provide your login ID and the password which you are going to get from Pocket option application itself. So you need to copy the login ID, then copy and paste the password here, then tap on the option of login, and this way you will be able to connect your Pocket option account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.